Solving inequalities is exactly like solving equations with just one important difference. If you can solve equations, you can solve inequalities. You only need to learn one extra rule. In a previous video, we learned the three main patterns to help us solve an equation every time. You will use those same patterns when solving an inequality. Let's quickly review the three main patterns because knowing the pattern tells you exactly what our first move should be. Pattern 1, no parentheses, add or subtract first. Pattern 2, parentheses multiplied by a number. You can distribute or divide both sides first. Pattern 3, big fractions, multiply both sides first. Now watch carefully. We'll solve the exact same problem once as an equation and once as an inequality. Here's the equation. 2x plus 6 equals 14. Subtract 6 from both sides to get 2x equals 8, then divide by 2 to get x equals 4. Now the inequality 2x plus 6 is greater than 14. Subtract 6 to get 2x is greater than 8. Then divide by 2 to get x is greater than 4. Same steps as the equation. The pattern you use and the inequality symbol don't change anything at all. Whether you're distributing with a less than symbol, dividing with a greater than or equal to sign, or multiplying with a less than or equal to sign. Solving an inequality is exactly like solving an equation. But here comes the one big difference. Look at negative 3x greater than 12. If we divide both sides by negative 3 and leave the sign alone, we get x greater than negative 4. Let's test that. If x equals 0, then negative 3 times 0 equals 0. Is 0 greater than 12? No, that's false. But if you flip the sign to get x less than negative 4, let's test x equals negative 5. Negative 3 times negative 5 equals 15, and 15 is greater than 12 is true. That's why you must flip the sign whenever you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number. Why do we flip? Because a negative reverses direction on the number line. Multiplying or dividing by a positive number keeps everything moving in the same direction, but multiplying or dividing by a negative number turns the number line backwards. Smaller numbers become bigger, and bigger numbers become smaller. That's why you have to flip the inequality sign to keep the statement true. Think about it with two simple numbers. 5 is greater than 2. That's obviously true. But what happens if you multiply both numbers by negative 1? You get negative 5 and negative 2. On a number line, negative 5 is further left, which means negative 5 is actually less than negative 2. The relationship flipped, so the symbol has to flip too. Watch out for this common trap. You only flip the sign if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative. If the equation just has a negative number in it, like 2x minus 8 is greater than 10, you don't flip. Adding 8 to both sides doesn't flip the sign. Only dividing or multiplying by a negative triggers the flip. So here's the big takeaway. Use the exact same patterns and steps as equations. Just remember to flip the sign whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more math videos like this.